listen over. You a queen when I less than I'm a gozy. Oh wami, oh wami. Oh wami, oh wami. Oh wami, oh wami. Oh wami, oh wami.
I don't know why haters be telling me to mind my business when they're out here not minding theirs. Shut your mouth and enjoy the tea. We all know you're here for it, sis. Hi ninjas! How are you guys doing? It's a girl, I'm Shangwane aka Miss Fear for Call. Very back for entertainment. If it's your first time joining me, or most really welcome. Please do subscribe and of course the bell. I absolutely love you. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Owami. Okay. Now, you guys, today we're going to talk about AKA and the fact that Mugai has released 2 videos. 2. And one is where, you know, it's like Corey has him by the by that hair, honey. Well, I can laugh now because he is okay now, okay? The second video that I'm going to play for you guys is of him while dancing, thanking his girlfriend. So he is good. That's why we can be able to laugh about it now. Jeez, don't be too sensitive. But yeah, you guys, like, AK actually released this video. Let's go ahead and watch it. Shibobo. Oh my gosh, I feel like, as I said, he's okay now, so I can actually laugh about this. But yeah, let me just go ahead and react to this video. I'll be back. Honestly, that cough, you guys. Somehow you forget he's on the phone. I mean, guys, Corona is serious out here. So if anyone, you know, was kind of talking a little bit, I understand. Even my chair. As I said, I'd honestly understand you guys. Now, with this video, the thing that I also realized there was that Masako rough, you guys, like, you don't even have time for your hair. That's the thing. I think, you know, when you've been sick, like really sick, when you come back, it's the smallest things that you actually appreciate. Or, oh, you know, I have to see that I look nice, you know, I have to fix my hair and all that shende. AK is always like super fly, but here and as I said, I'm laughing because he then uploaded this video. Saw him over there and yeah, you guys, like, he is happy now because he is fine. He also did thank his girlfriend, who that is the reason why I'm actually going there to actually read for you the post that he actually said. So this is what he said. He said, I just beat Corona's ass like it owed me money. Wait, it does owe me money. Praise God and thank you, A. Nelly Tembe, who's obviously his girlfriend, for all the hard work. It then said, here's the timeline of COVID-19 destruction. Thursday, 2nd July, first symptoms. So you got your first symptoms just right after my birthday. Okay. Then he said sore throat and headache and fever. Okay. Then he said Tuesday the 7th of July tested for COVID-19. Friday the 10th July test result positive. 16th of July last day of 2-week isolation and recovery. So basically today, as you guys are watching this video, this is when Mugai can be able to go out there but you know, maybe you should just give yourself extra 4 days, you know, because I just feel like, you know, sometimes it's still too fresh, like, you know, it's just the 16th day or the 14th day and you're already like, I'm going out, just for other people. But then his girlfriend then said, I love you so much, with a love heart emoji. So yeah, you know, apparently, you know, your corona makes your relationship grow stronger, I guess. Because, you know, obviously when you see somebody sick and you take care of them, like, I guess they also see you in a different way. I don't know. But yeah, that's basically what's happening, you guys. Twitter is, of course, trending Mugai, and some people are still saying that he's faking it. I mean, I don't understand he would fake the cough, but I don't think that hair, Shbubu, that hair is not faked. It's the hair that convinced me, not the cough. It's definitely the hair, Shbubu, okay? Now, of course, you guys, as I said, or as I always say, you guys, do comment down below what you guys think of this whole situation. Do you believe that AK really had corona? Because I do believe, you guys, that he had corona. Whew, that cough was also brutal, but that hair was more brutal than the cough, Shbubu. But I'm really happy that it's okay. You guys know we can laugh and joke and do whatever, but obviously there was no way in hell I was going to come out here and laugh if it was not a matter of he has recovered. As he said, he did kick Corona's arse like it owed him. Shmanish, okay? Now, of course, this is a go and comment down below. I love you so much, my ninjas. This is a short video. I hope you guys actually enjoy it. And yeah, that is it from me today. Unless if something breaking comes and then, you know. But yeah, from your mommy Shongani, aka Miss Fia Focal. I love you, ninjas. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next episode.